This is the website that comes with Meeting Bloom's conferences. This is free whenever you join up for Meeting Bloom's abstract management software or registration software. I want to make a couple points of this system. One is the domain names and the URLs are all SEO friendly. And what this means is any name that you give your page, they're going to be automatically created with an SEO friendly structure. That way, Google can crawl your website and find your content really easy. Another thing is these menus are also dynamically built, so you don't have to build any of this stuff. You just create your web pages and put them in the order that you want them, and it will automatically create the menu structure for you. Another point is whenever you see it go down, it's mobile responsive, tablet responsive. So this is automatically, and it automatically comes with the system. So there's no coding or designing things for the system. Now you can change the color scheme and some things like that on the system, and you have control of the header and the footer. So you have a lot of control of the system, but a lot of these parts are pre-designed, so you don't have to try to figure out coding. And we designed this so that you don't have to be a coder to create a conference website, is what the goal is. So if you go home, you can see here we have Platinum Supporter section, another sponsor section in the bottom. These are also designed easily, so you can have a conference and there's like a pot for your sponsors, and you can add the sponsor links and images automatically to show up on whichever website you want it to show up for. Important dates, this is another dynamic piece. So these parts are on the admin interface. You add a little, like a replacement keyword, and it will automatically go to your registration site and add this information for you. The reason why we do this is so you don't have to every year over year come into the website and try to hunt and find all the information you need to update. This way it's all dynamically updated and you just don't have to worry about it, because the next year conference comes along and you go, oh, I got the wrong information on the website. That won't happen here because these parts are dynamically being pulled from the registration pages of the system. Another thing, register today, abstract button. So I'll show you the abstract button. Oh, it's turned off right now. So what I mean by this is these buttons, you can have timers on them that the register today button can turn off at a specific time. That way, after the registrations are over, you don't have to worry about someone registering for your conference after the fact. Same goes for abstract submission buttons. You can put them on timers so that it'll automatically take it off the website when the time elapses. And you also have late breaking abstract deadlines. This is like an automatic. If you have a regular abstract deadline and a late breaking, your late breaking will automatically kick on, and when somebody submits an abstract during late breaking time, it'll be a late breaking abstract, and that's how it'll be sorted. Now, if you need to, you can change someone from a late breaking to a standard abstract submission, so it gives you the options. Comes with a blog too, so you can go here and you can create different blog items and have your attendees comment on the blog. That way there's more interactions with your attendees to your conference. You do have complete control of the header here, so you can add whatever buttons or things you need to up here. Footer is the same thing. You have control over a footer that is standard across your entire conference. And the sponsors, you can have it in your footer. That way every page has the sponsor on it. Now let's go to a program. This is the program, and again, whenever your next year registration comes up, your system will automatically point to the new program. So there's no worrying about the old program being overlapping with this system. It automatically updates it for you. It has a personal itinerary builder, which you click here. Your attendees can add all the parts of the program that they want to see. And also on the abstract posters, so they can go through the poster list and say, I want to see that one, that one, that one, and it will add it to their personal itinerary. That way when they go to the conference, they can see their personal itinerary, what they wanted to see, And there's also note fields on their personal itinerary. That way they can go into the notes and fill out some stuff, hit save, and now their personal itinerary has nice notes related to each part of the itinerary that they're going to be seeing. So contact us. Let's go to contact us. Contact us is a way that you don't have to put your email on a website. And the reason why this is a big plus is when you put your email on a website, you start getting it crawled and you start getting a ton of spam. Doing it this way with the contact us form, you won't get spam email anymore because it sends this directly to your registration portal. So there is no spam, there's no getting your emails being lost, your contact us information being lost in the shuffle of emails. This automatically goes to your registration portal. And when somebody does contact you, there's a little blinking icon that tells you that there's a message waiting for you to check it. Also, we have Conference Essential page. And what this does is when they go here, they'll go in and they'll sign in with their customer ID. And this gives your attendees a secured page to see secured data. So if there's hotel information that you need your attendees to see that needs to be secured, you can put it in here. If they need to email my receipt, they can get a new receipt. They can go to blogs. These are just example pieces, but you can have a gamification piece in here. You can have surveys, polls, any image you put in here and link to. It'll automatically be secured. So you can have secured PDFs that only your attendees need to access. And when you put it in here, it automatically secures it. There's no thought process to try to secure something so only the attendee can see it. If you put it in this section, it will be secured automatically. And here's the secured agenda portal. And you can see here, I can add my itinerary pieces and view it. And this is the itinerary that I was showing you before. And poster itinerary shows below here. Also, your attendees can click here and see the abstracts on the fly. That way, whether they're in their office or at the conference on a tablet, they can go in here and see their personal itinerary, see their notes, and actually click on the abstracts to see everything on the fly anywhere they're located at. Their poster list, they can click here and add or remove a poster to their poster list because they want to see this one and not that one. They add it and it will be on their itinerary. Also, you can see this zone here. You can turn this on or off, but you can have a secured zone for your speakers. And the reason why this is a big benefit is maybe you have certain information you only want to show your speakers. You can have them have the same exact portal and have a speaker only section, and only your speakers can view whatever's in this section. So I think that's it for this. We're trying to build a conference portal for your attendees to be able to reuse, to be able to be SEO optimized. That way Google can crawl it and make your conference the #1 conference out there for that subject. And make it so that you don't have to be a coder to design this stuff. None of this requires coding. It's all automatic. Even here, about the venue area, you can go here and you see there's a map. There's some details here. These are all word merge pieces that you just put in there, and the system shows you which word merges do what. That way there's no coding involved in your part. It automatically builds this. And like I said before, your registration portal, when it goes to the next year, you just point the website to your new registration year and all your information is automatically updated on your conference portal. So you won't have to hunt and find, oh, did I forget this? You don't have to worry about that because the system will automatically update your conference portal for you.